Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on pattern recognition. When we are given 4 or 5 terms in a pattern, we may be able to work out a rule for the pattern. If so, we can then find any term that we require. For each of the following number patterns, find the rule and then state the next term. So example 1. 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, and we have to find this term. The above pattern is formed by using the 4 times tables starting at 4 times 3, because 4 3s are 12. This is the same as adding 4 to the previous number. So 12 plus 4 is 16, 16 plus 4 is 20, 20 plus 4 is 24, 24 plus 4 is 28, and so on. Hence, the next term is 28 plus 4, which equals 32. So the number here is 32. Example 2, we have these numbers here. The above pattern is formed by using the 9 times tables starting at 9 times 3. 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, etc. This is the same as adding 9 to the previous number. Hence, the next term is 72 plus 9, and that gives us 81. So that's 81 there. Example 3, 54, 51, 48, 45, 42, and 39. Subtract 3 from the previous number. So 54 minus 3 gives us 51. 51 minus 3 gives us 48. 48 minus 3 gives us 45, and so on. Hence, the next term is 39 minus 3, which is 36. So that's 36 there. Example 4, 16, 25, 36, 49, and 64. The above pattern represents the square numbers starting at 4 squared. 4 squared, 5 squared, 6 squared, etc. So, start by squaring the counting number 4. Then square 5. Then square 6, and so on. Hence, the next term in the pattern is 9 squared. Because that's 8 squared, so that must be 9 squared, and that's 81. Example 5. 2, 5, 10, 17, 26, and 37. The above pattern represents the square numbers plus 1. That is, 1 squared plus 1, 2 squared plus 1, 3 squared plus 1, etc. So the next term is 7 squared plus 1, and that gives us 50. Because that's 6 squared plus 1, so this is 7 squared plus 1, which is 50. Example 6, 1.1, 2.2, 3.3, etc. Starting at 1.1, keep adding 1.1 to the previous term. Hence, the next term is 6.6 plus 1.1, and that gives us 7.7. So this video has given us some special patterns, and we've had to recognize the rule for each pattern, and that enables us to find the next number.